Yep, how are we doing today? Here we have from Amazon a battery operated pressure washer, portable pressure washer. I've just opened the box and let's have a look inside. I had the Works one, but it's broken, and this is like a third the price of the Works one. I think this has more things in as well. My Works one didn't have a foamer, so you put your detergent in here and plug it in, and you can alter the how much foam you want squirting along. So I want to try this out because of I got some free TDF. This is the hose. I don't know why it's in silver. Weird connection. But I noticed from my Works one it's slightly different connection from your standard like hose lock. Instructions, back aside. Filter. So you put that into there, and then you can even use it river, put it in rivers, even a puddle, big puddle. But I use deionized water, so I'll be taking it from a 25-litre barrel, but it's handy to have anyway. This is an optional extra on Works, so you can use a 2-litre bottle in it, so that feeds into the bottle. You can screw the bottle on and so on. We have a different head, what we'll be trying out later. An extension lance. It like twists, locks in to place like that. But I never hardly use that on my Works one. We've got the actual machine here. So there is actually different nozzles what you can use, I noticed. So different sprays. These just slot in and out like so. You can slot that in. And they are a steel end. Let me focus on it, with an O-ring at the end. What else we got? We've got the charging cable, and we have the lithium battery in here. You had the choice of getting a bigger lithium battery. This is 21 watts, 2.0 amp hours. We have a little tester, so it's full of charge. Usually you don't fully charge them, but there's no you connect it, if you can just see the end there, so you charge it up like that. But my Works one, I could put an Aldi battery on, but I don't think this will fit the Aldi battery. Connects on like that, you see. And then we'll go and give it a try tomorrow in the light. So we'll get the foamer working. So that's the unboxing, but I'll add the other video on at the end. Here we have the foamer. Just bleeding for the moment. You can alter how much you want on here. You can see. Right, we have put the different nozzle jet on. There's several different kinds. You see.